Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted desktop-level power in a tiny form factor, but every mini PC you've tried struggled once the workload got real, this one finally nails the balance between speed, silence, and reliability. Before we dive in, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. The GEEKOM IT13 2025 models have been moving fast this month. I've been using the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC for the past couple of weeks, and honestly, it's the most capable mini desktop I've ever tested. Inside, it's powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i9-13900HK, paired with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 2TB NVMe SSD. Everything feels instant. Windows 11 Pro boots in seconds, and heavy tasks like DaVinci Resolve rendering or Blender animation stay buttery smooth. In real-world performance, I'm running 8K playback, OBS recording, Chrome tabs, and After Effects, all at once. And it doesn't even flinch. Thermals stay in check too, averaging around 75 degrees Celsius under full load with fan noise staying under 40 decibels. That's workstation power without the bulk. Quick reminder. Tap the link below to see the current price before it changes. The 32 GB, 2 TB configuration usually sells out first during promo weekends. Connectivity is top tier, 6 USB ports, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, an SD slot, and Quad 8K display output support. You can literally run 4 monitors at once. Perfect for content creators, traders, or coders who live in multitask mode. And it's all packed into a compact aluminum body that fits in the palm of your hand. Pros: checkmark 13th Gen i9 performance in a mini chassis. Checkmark supports 8K quad display setups. Checkmark massive 32 GB RAM plus 2 TB SSD. Checkmark whisper quiet cooling system. Checkmark premium build and excellent connectivity. Cons: crossmark not for AAA gaming. Integrated GPU limits heavy titles. Crossmark slightly warmer under max load without external cooling pad. So, if you're ready for a mini powerhouse that can replace your desktop, the GEEKOM IT13 is the one to beat. Click the first link right now before the deal changes. This could be your smartest performance upgrade of 2025.